In this video, I'll be sharing my honest review of Insurify, an online insurance comparison platform that helps you find quotes for car, home, and other coverage types in minutes. Insurify isn't an insurance company itself. It's a comparison tool that gathers offers from multiple insurers to help you choose the best rate. The platform is simple to use with quick results and high user satisfaction, reflected in its strong Trustpilot rating around 4.8 out of 5. During my experience, Insurify did save time by pulling multiple quotes instantly, but it's important to note that many of these are estimates. When you proceed to purchase, the final rate can differ once the insurer verifies your details. Some users also mention getting follow-up marketing emails after submitting information. The range of insurers available can vary depending on your location, and coverage details sometimes lack side-by-side clarity. Overall, Insurify is a convenient starting point to compare options fast, but not the final word on pricing. Always confirm directly with the insurer before buying. If this review helped you, don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tech and finance insights.